Okay. Boondocking not going great. Alright, how can I see if there's water? Okay, no water. That's nice. I wonder, how are you supposed to be able to see? Hang on. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Oh, okay. Alright. Got my phone now. Here we go. Hey, there we go. Yeah, water. No water. Yeah, I forgot about that. No water. Okay. How can I do? Okay, I gotta use the restroom. How? I can't. Okay, hang on. Set that down. Okay. Alright. Think through. I got a potty, but I can't put my phone in my hand. I know. I know what I'll do. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my phone down by you guys. Hopefully you find this semi-entertaining. I don't. By the way, this is our very first boondocking experience, and I can tell you right now, it's hot. It's very hot. It's 94 degrees in the rig right now. You can see my look at the sweat. I gotta, don't look, okay? Did you hear me? Don't look. Turn around. I gotta put this down by you, but y'all turn around. Okay, here, I got soap. Here we go, yeah. Oh, drinking water. I can use, yeah. I can use, oh. Oops. Clean up. Lauren's gonna kill me. Okay. Dinner. Shit. Dinner time. I'm hot still. I'm gonna go have dinner. Maybe. I don't really know anymore. Dinner. I have dinner. Here we are. Okay. Is it done? I have no idea. I can't see anything. Hang on. Is it done? Again, no idea. It's hot. It's hot. But it's not done. Okay. Yeah, I guess explain some stuff. Let's go outside. It's cooler outside. Definitely cooler outside. Cooler outside. And dark. Also dark. Still dark. Okay, well, I guess let's try and go around. I don't know. Well, to y'all, that looks pretty. To me, it looks like this. It's actually very dark. We just have a very good camera. So, welcome back to Miller's in Motion. I'm sweaty, I'm hot. I'm essentially naked and afraid without the naked part and replace it with sweaty, so I'm sweaty and afraid. I got talked into going boondocking for my very first time with no lithium, no solar, no generator, no sense, no common sense, no anything. I'm essentially an idiot with a rig that's not meant to go boondocking in a field. In a field. I'm in a damn field. So, here we are. We are currently boondocking for the very first time. As you can see, we are out here in the middle of, well, nowhere. We've actually come out here with some friends, and we're just hanging out for 2 weeks. Now, I know what you're going to say. Ryan, have you been boondocking before? And the answer to that is no. I'm not. In fact, you're going to notice Lauren's not actually here right now. Lauren stayed back. She's working, and I'm doing a little adventure with some friends. So, obviously, you know our rig, so we're here. Also, in the teeny Navion, we have New State Nomads. In the big Class A Challenger, RV Blogger. And Turn It Up World in the Winnebago Echo. Also, there's some other people way over there, but we'll go over there in a little while. So let's talk about boondocking for a second and what it takes to actually do it. So in a simplistic form, it really doesn't take anything. All you need is your RV, and nothing else. Somewhere to park it. That's the definition of boondocking. Now, what makes that more comfortable? What makes you want to do that? Power, water, all the things I have none of right now. All right, so on our rig, just as a quick reminder, we are a Grand Design Solitude 390RK, and we do have the -R version, which stands for residential. All that really means is we have a residential refrigerator, we have a 2,000 watt inverter, 2 AGM batteries, as well as, my phone's ringing. Thanks, Tampa. Now we have no batteries, we have no generator, we have no nothing else. Hi, Dave. Chris and Martha were very generous enough to lend me a 3,300 watt Furman generator to plug in my 50 amp via a dog bone. If you don't know what a dog bone is, there you go. It's a 50 to 30 amp connector. That allows me to run at least one AC, keep my batteries topped off, all that good stuff. You can see we're a little cloudy today, so I'm not really pulling all that much in solar. Anyway, not the only way to do it. In fact, as you saw before, we're gonna pop over at the last second and go say hi to Chris and Martha in the daylight, and they're gonna show us their system. It's a little more cumbersome. So why in the earth would anybody want to boondock? Well, if you're a smaller rig, completely unlike, well, all of us, you could go in some really cool places up in the mountains, you know, on a beach, all that kind of stuff. We're obviously a little bit bigger, so why in the earth would Lauren and I want to boondock in a 41-foot fifth wheel? So I can tell you, it's not so much about wanting to go to the massive destinations, but we have a tendency to travel very fast. So the benefit for us to boondocking is being able to stay in Cracker Barrels, Harvest Hosts, Walmart parking lots, that kind of stuff, and still be able to be functioning. You know, the lights that are on right now, I actually have the air conditioner on up here. Now, with that generator that Chris and Martha, again, thank you, let us borrow, I can only run one AC. I might be able to push it to 2 if I stagger the start, but if they auto in or auto out, it's going to mess up and I'm going to blow a breaker or overload the generator. So, you know, boondocking is one of those deals that you need to have a reason, because it can get a little expensive to retrofit whatever you're doing to actually get that ready to be boondocked in. So up here in our bedroom, the biggest concern is air conditioning and power. That's it. So at night, I like it very cold. All of this needs to be chilled off because I run hot. So one of the big things that we ask ourselves is, how can we have the air conditioner running throughout the evening hours so that we can stay comfortable and actually get a good night's sleep so that we can drive? Welcome to our shower. I never thought I'd do this like this. This like this. Good job, Ryan. Welcome to our shower. This is a camera angle I didn't ever imagine I would be in, but here we are. So why am I in the shower? Well, second thing about boondocking, water. Rain, let it rain. There's two things about water. One, you got to carry your own. So we have a 96-gallon onboard freshwater fuel tank that we cannot fill completely, otherwise we'll be way overweight. Also, what comes in must go out. Oh, and my swimming trunks from earlier. Whoops. So what comes into this must go out of this, and you have to remember that, because I only have a 54-gallon gray tank and then about a 78-gallon black tank. So all the water that comes in, it's got to go out. So if you fill up your tanks, even if you have more onboard water, you can't go anywhere. So, you know, when you're full hookups, you just pull the little magic valve and, well, in here, not the case. You have to store it for a little while before you can get rid of it. Now, you can find dump stations. Love's now has a lot of those, like for $10 you can dump your tanks, that kind of stuff, and alleviate the problem. So you need to decide how long you're going to be in a place for that you want to do that. And that's going to be different based on your rig. So when it comes to boondocking, there's many different ways to achieve what you want to achieve. I'm showing what we have, which is nothing. We have nothing. Thanks to Chris and Martha, we have a generator. That's it. So now they've gone into some better detail as far as customizing their rig specifically so that they can boondock. Run their ACs on batteries, have a couple of generators that I stole one of, that kind of stuff. Let's go show you what Chris and Martha have. Let's go see what Chris is up to, because he's over here at this other camp. All right, Chris.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Morning, buddy. Man, I can't believe you got me into this shit out here.
You know, what do you expect? What are friends for?
Yeah, something like that.
Grab your crap, show up, and just go with the unknown. What do you think?
All right, so I came out here with literally nothing. So first of all, thank you for letting me borrow a generator.
That's all I can do for you, buddy.
But let's show the people what would make this a little more comfortable.
Yeah, we're a little more comfortable. This is kind of a granddaddy of a system. So I guess we'll start from left to right. All the way on the far wall straight across, you've got a Rover 150/60 MPPT. You've got battery cutoffs across the middle, a Lynx distribution system for my wiring. We've got two 3,000 watt inverters. Our entire coach is completely inverted, so we've got 6,000 watts of power, so we can run absolutely everything, just not at the exact same time. Let's go around the front. So this is where the magic happens here. We've got two more charge controllers. So we have three different types of panels on our roof. We've got 320s, we've got 200s. We also have 300 deployables, which we'll show you in a second. We've got 1,200 amp hours of lithium battery. We've got a battery protect so that it doesn't draw down and put our BMS to sleep. Now, this is also something that's really a game changer for us.
Are you sunning out here? What the hell is this?
So this is solar panel, but they're in a blanket form. So you've got two 300 watt Renogy solar panels. So I've got an additional 600 watts of power here. So between what I got on the ground and what I got on the roof, I've got 2,880 watts of solar panel, 1,200 amp hours of battery, and 3 charge controllers. I also carry a small portable generator for days where the weather's crap. This allows us...
It's right over there.
This allows us to literally use anything we want in the trailer 100%. We just can't run everything at the exact same time. Now, what does that look like realistically? I can run an AC in my bedroom 9 hours straight. I can wake up after running an AC for 9 hours, turn on coffee, run the fireplace. I have lights all day long, and I have not drained my system. This is a boondocking beast. You know what Ryan's got? My generator.
Thank you again.
Yeah, that's right.
So, Christopher.
Oh shit, I'm in trouble now.
Be nice. Actually, you have been nice, and I appreciate you, buddy.
I'll do my best.
If you haven't noticed, we've been hanging out with them for almost a month now.
I know, it's wild.
We went from nothing to like, okay, everything, and we're not going to get to see you for a little while, but maybe in January.
Yeah.
And if you didn't know I'm actually boondocking, you know how much Lauren hates the stubble because she complains about it to you all the time.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm actually boondocking, and yes, we are actually in the middle of a freaking field.
Yeah, this is not staged.
Nope. In fact, the only cord I see is to your truck generator thing.
Yeah.
Is that your Traeger out there?
Yes, I run my Traeger off the RV because the solar runs the pellet grill with no problem.
He's going to hell. No, he's just made me, lithium jealous. I don't even know if that's a thing. So,
yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I know there's a lot that goes into boondocking. I'm learning as I go. Again, thanks to you. If you are curious, Chris has actually attended a solar class at the NRVTA with Todd and the crew here.
Yes.
And I'm gonna do it.
He should.
I'm going to.
And his system's gonna be bigger than mine because I don't think he does anything little.
Hey, up here. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I swear Lauren's gonna be in a video one day. Pretend you're Lauren. Bye, everybody.
Hi, Mom.
He meant to say bye, Mom. See you guys next Sunday.
Dang it, I almost had it.
Bye, Mom.